Kapuso, night to remember ang pagtingob sang biggest names sa showbiz kag Kapuso executives para sa selebrasyon sang 75th anniversary sang GMA Network. Nakatutok, Julius Bilacaol.
Isang gabi nga puno sang glitz and glamour ang GMA Gala 2025. Pareho sang True Diamonds. Stand out ang presence ang pila sa blue carpet. Best dressed sa event, sanday David Licauco kag Kaylin Alcantara. Couple of the night naman ang PBB Collab Big Winners nga sanday Mika Salamanca kag Brent Manalo. Ang second big placer nga si Will Ashley, Young Star of the Night, along with Sparkle Star Waynona Collins. Nag-eksena naman sa blue carpet, sanday Carla Abellana kag Esner bilang scene stealer. Bangod sa tuig-tuig nga class kag sophistication nga dala, Hall of Famer, sanday Heart Evangelista, Alden Richards, Marian Rivera, kag Dingdong Dantes.
All throughout the 75 years, yung significant majority ng buhay namin na-dedicate namin sa GMA. Kaya we are just extremely happy to celebrate tonight.
Sarap lang sa feeling to be part of the 15 years of that 75. It's no joke to last in a network and you know that really value loyalty, which is GMA.
Araman siyempre ang GMA Network Executives sa pagpanguna ng President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., Executive Committee Chairman Joel Marcelo G. Jimenez, kag GMA Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Nagtambong man si anay GMA Network President Menardo Jimenez, kag Executive Vice President kag Chief Financial Officer Felipe Esialong.
Thank you for being with us for all these years. And we promise na ipapagpatuloy namin yung paggawa ng mga makabuluhang content and ang pagbibigay ng serbisyong totoo.
To all the men and women of GMA, both in front of and behind the cameras, kayo ang puso ng GMA. Your dedication, creativity, passion, and integrity define what we are. And your collective work and efforts have made GMA what it is today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Julius Bilacaol. 1. Western Visayas.